Hi, this is Steve with SEO 727 with our Friday shout out. Today's shout out goes to Cancer Life Organizing by Office Assistance Plus. They offer consultations for cancer patients, survivors, thrivers, and their caregivers. As a 3-time cancer survivor, the owner knows the struggle is real. She can help organize the spaces you live and work in and offers strategies to help keep your cancer life on track in the midst of overwhelm and treatment side effects. Her mantra is, the best way out is always through, and you can do it. She offers virtual and on-site consultations. We ask that you reach out to Lisa, the owner, at Office Assistance Plus, creators of the Cancer Life Organizing. You can reach her at 813-760-6198. Make it a great Friday.